Welcome to our basic crafted series. Today we'll be doing the French knot. For the French knot, you're going to insert the needle with the thread from the back and pull through. Then you're going to take the thread and wrap it around the needle 3 times like so. And you're going to insert it back into the same hole you pulled the needle from. And then you're going to pull the thread from the back to secure it in place. And there you have a French knot. I'm going to show it again. And so you're going to insert the needle from the back. And then wrap the thread around the needle 3 times like so. And insert the needle back into the same hole you pulled the needle from. And then pull the thread to secure the French knot. And now you have 2 French knots. Hope this helped and happy crafting!